and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with the plan with me for the week of August 6th through August the 12th. And this is my classic happy planner, and I'm excited because we are using this new sticker combo book. At least that's what I'm calling it. It has stickers, sticky notes, and cardstock. How exciting is that? So I am really going to be trying to match the pages that's on my planner with this particular sticker that has the coral going to the magenta type color here. The name of this book is Watercolor Brights. So that'll be our sticker of inspiration as you see here. The washi tape that I've selected this week is this nice ombre coral to yellow, and it's from Recollections, and it's called Color Splash Watercolor. And look at that, it matches with our book, Watercolor Brights. So I think it'll be a nice addition to this spread. I've also decided to bring out the little mini sticker pack here, and there are some stickers that have the coral with the gold, which is exactly what I want to use for the spread. So this is going to be the first sticker that we lay. And I like this sticker because it's a full box sticker, but it's also open and allots for room to write plans, and it doesn't take up a whole sticker box with just decor. And of course, in order to get this thing to lay right, I'm going to have to flip this page upside down. So let's just do that real quick, and hopefully we can get it. I love those gold lips. So let's continue to flip through this little booklet here and to see if we can find another sticker. I know there's one that says note to selfie that we can always use to put on the corresponding page, but let's see if there's anything else that really matches. And I'm going to say that that is going to be, let's see. Oh, there's another one. We could possibly use that one. But other than that, there are no other ones that we're going to use at this point in time. So let's grab our new booklet and let's just flip through and start placing stickers. Let's start with that sticker that I really love, that little, it's like a flag, but it has room for you to write, and it goes on the side and it says today in gold. So here you see me putting down some gold stars to indicate the day of the week that I'm working from the office. And also grabbing a watercolor header there, and it's scalloped, and it's going to match not only the spread, the washi tape, but the sticker I'm about to lay just perfectly. So I'm trying something a little new this week. I typically fast forward through this, or I started last week fast forwarding and playing music, but this week I think I'm going to just fast forward and talk through it as to, you know, be respectful of your time and the time, how long the videos are. I have broken out my colorful boxes sticker book. You guys know that's one of my faves, and I'm incorporating that pop of gold in the spread in order to make it, you know, pop, of course. The Watercolor Brights book does have some quotes, so I lay a quote down there in the left-hand corner on the bottom. And then I am looking through the books to find other pops that I could put in there. Now putting down a weekend sticker, of course it's crooked, but of course we straighten that out and it's looking good. So now let's get to the meat and potatoes of the spread, of course, the washi. So just using my Tombow correction tape to remove the quote on the bottom of the page as it does not match with our spread. And we're going to lay down that ombre washi from the Color Splash washi tube from Recollections. So just cleaning it up, and I really like the way that it turns out. And I apologize that you guys can only see a portion of it, but what I did was I flipped it on one side. On the left side of the page, the yellow portion is up top, and on the right side of the page I have the coral portion up top. So just trimming that off. And we're going to go ahead and do that on both sides, getting the last little pieces of that washi tape cleaned up. Then we are going to take a look to see what we potentially are missing. And we're going to grab out that little sticker pack again. And we're going to go ahead and put down that note to selfie sticker right there on Thursday midday. All right, so putting that away, we went back to colorful boxes and adding some checklists to the spread because, I mean, after all, what is a spread without a few checklists? All right, went back to the watercolor brights, and now we're adding heart icons to our spread to indicate activities there on the weekend. Okay, so I have grabbed the icons sticker book, and I'm just the student icon sticker book, and I'm just pulling out a few little pieces that I feel like would work well, like that busy day, the happy plans. And I grab a pink homework sticker and I cut off the work and I put the home to indicate the things that I need to do on Wednesday in the house. See, works perfectly. I threw down washi tape on the 10th because Simply Gilded has something going on. And I also found a couple of the little push pin icons in hot pink and orange. So wanted to get those on the page. Then I grabbed my squad goals sticker book and I'm looking for something to put there in the corner. And I grabbed the little girl with her sunglasses and little green skirt. And then I'm flipping through the tiny sticker book and grab a little iced coffee to indicate on Monday morning coffee is definitely required. It's not needed. It's a requirement. So wanted to make sure that I indicated that. So overall, this is the spread before I put down a pen. And as for pens this week, it will be my Papermate Flare in 0.7. So here with that Papermate Flare in black, I'm just putting down my plans for the week and just filling out my spread. Here shortly, I will grab the icon sticker book and I will put down some more of those push pin icons just to notate another event that I forgot I needed to put on the spread. Then I grab the watercolor bright sticker book and I put that little heart up there on Saturday morning. Then I fill in my sidebar here where it says remember, and I am pretty much done with the spread for the week. So here I have pulled out or selected the cardstock from that combo pack, and it says get it girl, and we all need a little get it girl sometimes to make it through the week. I am going to use the back of the card to notate my meal plan for the week here. And so you just see me putting my meals for the entire week there. And if you're curious about what meals I have, if you will check out my latest meal plan with me for the week of 8/6 to 8/12, you'll see what yummy dishes we're having for the week. So I'm just finishing this up here. And then, of course, with this note card, we have to see how this spread with this note card looks inside the planner. I mean, it's only right. So here I am reaching for my planner so that we can pop these things in it. So let's grab this planner and see how our spread looks on the disc and with that new cardstock in there. All right, popping the pages right in. And then we're gonna throw our cardstock there on top. Love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that new Brights watercolor sticker combo pack is definitely awesome. I encourage you guys, if you don't have it and your Joann's has it, I think it would be worth picking up. I really like it. So everything is looking good. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed planning with me this week. I certainly have had a great time. If you haven't done so already, please give me that thumbs up on the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Love to have you as a subscriber. Well, I hope you have a great and productive week and you're able to stick to your plans and check things off your list. All right, ladies, ciao bella.